Today is the rose gold day. I know you've been looking forward to it, so it's my favorite. I am going to be using this 4Well palette of eyeshadow. This is a custom eyeshadow palette, so you can pick whatever colors you want. I have number 38, number 22, number 1, and number 8. I'm going to use the same brush for this entire look. This is an angled shadow brush. You could use a pointed shadow brush or a flat shadow brush or any small brush that's soft enough to blend with. I've already put foundation or concealer, I think it was foundation, on my eyelids, so my eyeshadow has something to stick to, and I'm going to start with color number 38. We are going to layer a couple of rose gold colors. So we're going to use number 1 first. And then we're going to take color number 22 and apply that from the center to the outer corner. To make sure everything is nice and blended, take that brush with the angle side down, keep your eye open, and this is a clean brush, and just blend to the brow. Well, let's take that same rose gold and put it underneath the eye. Give this a little bit of a dimension with this brown color. So this is number 8, and I'm putting a little bit on the tip of the brush, and then I'm going to pretty much just stamp it to the outer corner. And then once it's applied, knock all the excess product off your brush so it's relatively clean, and we're going to create circles to blend this together. If you want, you can do the same little technique and match it on the underside just by tapping a little bit of the darker eyeshadow under the outer corner of the eye and smudging it in. For my next trick, I'm going to have some fun with eyeliner with this look, and I'm going to use this dual-ended navy blue and rose gold eyeliner pencil. On the navy blue side, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the navy blue on the underneath side of my lashes. And I'm going to follow suit with the top, but I'm not going to go quite all the way over to the edge. For my last trick, I'm going to use the rose gold side to make this pop. Let's get some mascara on this look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.